Welcome back to the Crypto Boss Ninja channel. Let's look at Jasmy. I haven't looked at this in a while. If you guys have altcoins you would like me to look at, let me know. So Jasmy right now on the daily chart on the stock RSI is looking good, but is coming up to resistance. So if you don't break 434, I would be looking for 35. Now again, obviously the next step to the upside, if you break that is 472, which we held as support for a long time back here around the middle of March. So right now, stock RSI would suggest you can break this resistance here and go up to 472. Let's see what the smaller time frames are looking like. The 4-hour chart is trying to put in a higher high. It looked like on the 4-hour chart, you did get above the resistance. The more times you test the resistance, the more likely you are to break it. I actually think we will see 471 on Jasmine now, just looking at this. I was bearish for a while, but now short term, it looks short term and the daily chart look good to me right now. Um, and the 4-hour chart is technically still bullish according to this. Imuki Cloud didn't care as long as you stay above 398. So to me right now, Jasmine, it looks good on the 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame. 1-hour chart does need to come down, and 1-hour chart would suggest you can come down to 359. But I would actually expect the 4-hour chart and the daily chart to take over the 1-hour chart. So 1-hour chart could come down. I would look for a higher low above 412. We'll see if we can do that. So you basically have to go sideways for that to happen, but it is a possibility. And the 50-minute chart is also suggesting you did put in a lower low here. This is what I don't like. So 1-hour chart and 15-minute chart are starting to give me more bearish signs, but the 4-hour chart and daily chart are very oversold on the stock RSI. So you would think the higher time frames would take over, but you have to take both with a grain of salt because you do have a bear flag now forming on the 15-minute chart. If you take it from the last local high that you had, or the last highest local high you had, to the last wick low, um, and you get your flag, your measure move to the downside is approximately 388. And that would not be a lower low on the daily time frame. So we'll see what happens. But to me, 15-minute chart, 1-hour chart don't look great, but I would expect the higher time frames to take over and send you to 472, especially if Bitcoin can keep pumping up here. We'll see what happens. If you guys enjoy this analysis, appreciate if you hit the like, subscribe, share this video with friends. I'll be back live in 1 hour on my YouTube and TikTok. So hit the follow, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a very little bit.